We're so excited at Lady So-and-so. We've had the Tale of Peter Rabbit box kits come in, and we wanted to show you the unboxing to you because we're so excited. It's even better than we thought it was going to be. What you get is a little book, and the quilt. The quilt is made up of a panel and some fairly simple piecing around the edge as a border, and it comes in the most beautiful presentation box. Once upon a time there were 4 little rabbits and their names were Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter. When you make this quilt, the adventure and memories will start.